A blank canvas and a spark in the mind, looking for the treasures that we're gonna find. Pick up the brush, let the colors flow. Watch how a simple idea starts to grow. Yeah, piece by piece, we're building it tall, making something special out of nothing at all. Handcrafted magic, a labor of love, with a little bit of help from the stars above. Yeah, we're making it our own today. Fold it, cut it, glue it in place, put a little smile on every single face. From the workbench to the finishing touch, the little details always mean so much.